This is my inexpensive ukulele that I've had for about 25 years. But there's one problem that I've had with it. Anytime you play a chord on it, it sounds really terrible. So let's see if I can play a G here. That sounds terribly out of tune. And I was figuring what could possibly be causing it to be in tune on an open and sound pretty good, and then the minute you play a chord it goes out of tune. You can see there's a huge gap in there. I thought, well, could that possibly be enough to be causing it to go out of tune? So I started looking at this and comparing it with other ukuleles that I have, and what I found, the nut is actually supposed to be about 1/8 of an inch farther in. It really is that far off. This nut has been placed way far north. These ones up here near the top should be pretty close to the same distance. And what I've noticed here is if you try and measure this one, if that's your distance there, this one over here, it looks almost like there's 1/8 of an inch where that nut has gone farther up than it should be. And I'm going to try and cut and move that nut back to where I think it should be. And we're going to find out if we can make it sound a little better than this. So it seems pretty close up here. I may have moved it in a little farther than I really actually needed to, but the difference is in the way it sounds. Let's see. So that's pretty much in tune. There's your C. The C sounds great, and before it was unbearable. That's a G. But it's really great. I'm thrilled with the way it came out. I think it fixed it. I think it totally fixed it. And it only took me 25 years to figure that out.